I'm done freshening up, or we are done freshening up. Hello, good morning. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Hey, so we have Eniola. You guys saw Tolani earlier, and we are leaving the hotel right now to head off to Boulder City. So we're first going to go to Boulder City before we go to Hoover Dam. And yeah, the weather is a bit cloudy, breezy, but it's okay, it's manageable. So let's get started. I like this light. See the workers. These are all the workers.
What is that?
The workers. The workers that did the dam. The Hoover Dam. They lived in
The dam.
no, they used the artwork to memorial.
the Great Depression when they built this?
Oh, I don't know.
1934.
Yeah.
Oh, is that what you read?
Yeah, right after.
Oh, watch out for the
She just covered Days Magazine. Congratulations to Ice and got the co-sign from one of the queens, Nicki Minaj, which I'm surprised. Nicki be coming for everybody, but I guess she's taking.
Welcome to Hoover Dam.
You were a winner, you already know.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Hoover Dam Access Road.
As soon as you call, I'm giving you more.
Which can I wait? So we just arrived at Hoover Dam. Oh my goodness, did you guys enjoy that mountain drive? You all have to come here. You can't experience half of it in the camera, but we're just going to, right now we're going to do a security check, so we have to roll down the window and prepare to stop.
Looks like a border check.
Like a border check?
Yeah, driving from Mexico into US.
Oh really? Oh wow. So this is
same thing driving from US into Canada.
Oh, it's like this too. Okay. So what do you guys think about the mountain?
I don't like it.
Is it scary?
You know, like in some of the movies where they're like driving on the mountain and tilting. No.
Yeah. Tolani, what do you think?
I just don't see the point. Why build a road on a mountain?
Wow. Where else would they build it? This place is all mountain. This is all mountain. So yeah, so we just have to go to the security check, and after that we'll get back on camera. So they just asked us if we have gone. Lane number 1. That was the thing. That was the only thing that they asked, and that's it. So we have to go to lane number 1 right here. So we are welcome to Hoover. Everybody was nervous. So welcome to Hoover Dam. Yay! We are. Yeah, just keep going.
Continue on Hoover Dam Access Road for 1 mile.
Yay! We passed our security check.
And it blocks out the water sometimes.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is beautiful.
How do they know we don't have a
weapon?
They got
They
no
know.
camera.
It's camera. You don't know how many cameras
They
there are.
scan everything. See
Look at all the
So we just keep on going straight on. Bridge scenery view. They have a bridge. So you don't go to the bridge scenery view, and then we can keep on going down. This one is beach scenery view.
That's the first time he used this truck. No, girl.
So we can walk up there and then later on drive down there. So we're gonna start off here.
Hoover Dam Access Road.
Oh, now we got people here.
hair off my head. Hey, Pam Pam. You guys are making fun of me. The memories I'm making, and they are, yeah. Hey, Pam Pam. Oh, look at it. Can you stop that? Oh, look at, why is the thing tilted? The electricity thing. You see that? Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Wow. Fine. Girls, you see that's the Hoover, that's the dam. Right there. Girls, face it. Yeah, take a picture. Wow. So beautiful. Oh, we made it. Hoover Dam, everyone.
Are you vlogging?
The Our family vacation, 20 years and counting. Reduce speed 15 miles. So that was the bridge we were. See, up there. That was where we were, girls. See? Wow.
You can see the bridge itself.
This was where we were.
Where we were walking.
See how beautiful this is. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this.
You see the people up there?
This is why we came almost 10 years ago. To see, we walk.
Oh, you?
Yeah, you can park and walk.
Oh, wow.
But now,
this is nice.
so you can see it close up.
Yeah, we're that high up. Look at all those people up there. That's where we were before. This is pretty.
Look at that. Yeah, I remember we walked around when they were building this. Yeah, I remember when they were
No stopping anytime.
They said no stopping anytime. But here they say stop on red. No, it's
yellow.
not. No, they didn't say stop on yellow. They said keep on going. Wow. But look at that thing, is slanted. Why is it? Why is the electric thing slanted?
Yeah, see the yeah, when they were building
Wow. Oh, look at this. This is the construction person. That's wow. That's pretty. Oh, they even have palm tree. A little bit of palm tree. Oh, I guess people park here and then they walk.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Big parking.
Oh, you have to pay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think it's like $10 to pay. Park Oh, look at the angels. Ah, the seraphim and cherubim. No, just kidding. No, look. See the angels. Oh, stop me. Yeah, those are angels. Look at, they have wings. Those are angels. Wow. Okay. Yeah, they are angels. Attack on Titan. See? Hoover Dam. You guys see it? It says Hoover Dam. 1931 to 1935. That's how long it took them. 4 years. Wow. I thought it would be much more.
It takes them longer to build some convenience stores.
See, that's the bridge we were on earlier.
Can you help me real quick? Thank you. I'm on the wrong side.
Uh-oh, watch. So this is Arizona, you see. Now this area is Arizona. So that's why they have Arizona time. So this was Nevada. So we're crossing into Arizona now.
It's the same time.
I don't know why they... It's the same time zone now. Why are they doing Arizona time?
I don't know, just to say we're in Arizona now.
Yeah, okay.
Just say welcome to Arizona. Don't try to be
Wow, that's pretty. Oh, so we're in Arizona now. So we're in Arizona now. So this is Arizona. The Grand Canyon State welcomes you. So we just entered Arizona. But we're turning and going back to Nevada. There's no U-turn.
People are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is another view of the dam. Or part of the dam. The Hoover Dam. This one says Nevada time.
Is it the same time?
Is it the same time?
Look how it's slanted. Why'd they do it like that?